Use of information about medicinal properties of plants. Since seeds contain information about the entire plant, one should use knowledge about its medicinal properties. For example, application of watermelon, melon and parsley seeds to the areas corresponding to the kidneys increases the diuretic and anti-inflammatory effects. The application of hadhan seeds to the areas corresponding to the brain produces a sedating effect, and to the areas of the heart helps get rid of functional cardiac disorders and mild forms of arrhythmia. Stimulation of the area corresponding to the brain by application of Chinese lemon seeds increases working capacity, decreases mental and physical fatigue. When placed on the areas of medulla oblongata, they boost activity of the cardiovascular and respiratory system. Stimulation of points corresponding to the heart with the seeds of May lily of the valley will help in mild forms of the chronic heart failure. Seeds of bird cherry and blueberries have astringent properties, can be used in diarrheas by placing them on the areas corresponding to the small and large intestines. Fruits of fennel and cumin are utilized for their air evacuating and spasmolytic properties in meteorism, detention of the abdomen with gas. Horse chestnut is used for the massage of the areas corresponding to varicose veins. The massage should be given from the periphery to the center. Wild rose seeds are applied to the area corresponding to the breastbone in the disease of the blood accompanied with bleeding. They are similarly used in hepatitis and as a bile expelling agent. In this case, seeds of a wild rose are placed on the areas corresponding to the liver and gallbladder. Oat seeds can also be used in bile congestion in the gallbladder. Seeds of pomegranate are used in hearing and vision disorders. Rice in bronchitis and bronchial asthma. Barley in hemorrhoids and gout. Flax in constipation. Toothache, marigold in the inflammation of an eye. Peas in anemia, and urolithiasis cone seeds in diabetes mellitus and epilepsy, etc. This list can be continued endlessly.